When I look at these photos, it makes me feel sad. I'm Tiffany, I'm 36, a mother of 3 beautiful children, and I recently lost over 50 pounds. My weight loss struggle started when I had my first child. I put on 100 pounds. And then I met my husband, and I put on a lot of weight. Going back to my wedding and looking at the pictures, I feel sick. I do. I feel that how could I even let myself get to that? I don't ever remember looking like this. I never ever realized it. When I had my 3rd child, the doctor said my weight was affecting my pregnancy, and I was starting preeclampsia. And when I heard that, that was just so scary. And that was the turning point for me. I lost over 50 pounds. Basically, I started eating healthy, just little portions controls, and I get my exercise by running after a 1-year-old. My hair has always been long, always been long. I probably haven't cut my hair in 12 years. My style is leggings, moccasins. I'm always wearing black. And I don't want to anymore. I want to be able to wear clothes that show me now. I am happy and proud to be where I am today.
What's the matter?
My husband is the best thing that's ever happened to me besides my children. He loves me no matter what I look like. He always puts me up and makes me feel good. Sorry. I'm hosting Thanksgiving this year. We have family coming from out of town, and this is the first time a lot of them are gonna see the baby and see my weight loss, so I'm excited. I'm ready to make a change because I'm ready to take care of myself and surprise my family with a whole new look.
There she is. And here she is now.
Come on,
Don't make her cry. She looks too hot. So, Tiff, you have not seen yourself, correct?
I have not seen myself.
Dude,
I've been trying to. I've been trying to, but I have not
And
seen
that
myself.
hair, oh, you're gonna walk around the house just doing hair flips.
Yes!
All right, are you ready? Are you ready?
Ready.
Turn around.
Everybody!
Don't cry, no, get back over here. Turn around, stop. What do you think?
She's always been beautiful, but wow.
I told you, didn't I?
Yes.
Guys, her hair doesn't look ratty anymore, right?
Not at all. She looks stunning. Like, wow.
Yeah, you really
What a little
deserve
gentleman,
that.
I love him. What do you think of Mom?
You look amazing. You deserve it. You look.
Aww.
Tracy said to take care of your hair because it was ratty, and she said, please put her in new clothes. So I think everybody was happy.
How freaked out is your the family members that haven't seen you yet?
Oh my God, freaking out. They are going.
I think they're gonna be like, whoa, what?
They're gonna have no idea who I am.
Yeah,
So-
yeah, they will. This is the new you.
Yes, this is. This
Yes,
is the
right.
new Tiffany.
Yeah.
So-